guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't say nothing, don't clock me, because I know you guys are seeing a couple of videos that I'm looking just like this, right? I'm batch recording. So anyways, back to the reason for this video. I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee. If you do not know, welcome babe, that means you're new, and I would love for you to join the family by clicking the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And while you're at it, go ahead and hashtag D4L gang so that I know the love is real. And for my original diamonds and gems, hey boo, I see you. So today's video is gonna be a review video and as well as a unboxing video. A company named Dose of Vanity reached out to me and wanted to send me a selfie ring light. And you guys know that I have like 4 selfie ring lights. So it wasn't like I needed one, but I always love to try selfie ring lights because I use them all the time. So when they reached out to me, I was like, you know what, let me check out their website, let me see what they're about before I actually commit to something. The selfie ring light itself is a LED ring light, and I thought it matches my ring light that I got when I record my videos. So I was like, you know what, let me try it out, let me review it, let me see how much I like it. And I actually fell in love with it, and that's the only reason why I'm telling you guys. When I was on their website, I noticed that they are a new company and they are not well known to be talked about, because I checked it on YouTube as well. You guys, I do my research before I bring these type of products to you guys, or any products to you guys. So when I looked it up on YouTube, I looked at their website, I googled them and everything. They come up, they're a legit company, but they are a new company. Dose of Vanity really meant they have vanity mirrors. So I was like, oh my god, I've been wanting a vanity mirror, and I've been wanting one for so long, but everybody knows how expensive vanity mirrors can be. So when I was on there, I just so happily lucked up on their vanity mirror that was on sale. And I literally quickly, instantly shot the website to my wife with the link directly to that vanity mirror and was like, oh my god, I have to have it. And she was like, oh, okay, you know, she was messing around with me and was like, what color do you want the flowers? Because in the picture, it had a set of flowers. And I was like, lime green, you jackass, like, you know what I'm talking about. But then she texts me back with a screenshot saying that she purchased the mirror for me. So I was super excited. Literally, shipment took every bit of 3 days. I want to say it was 3 days. I think they hit me up on like a Tuesday, and the vanity mirror showed up on Friday, and the selfie ring light showed up the very next day, which was on a Saturday. I was so excited to get it, and I thought it was going to be too big for my area, but it actually came out to be a great size, and it's not hard to put together. It was not hard to set it up. It wasn't hard. Like, it came apart, you had to assemble it, but literally it was like 1 2 3 boom bam, it's up, it's lit, it's working. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the selfie ring light that I received from them, and then we will get into the mirror, because I look into this mirror every single day and I love it every single day. I love it more and more. I want to thank my wife for purchasing this vanity mirror from me. I had thanked her already, but I want to thank you again, babe, for buying it for me. I love it. It is just everything that I needed, and it is just the perfect size. And I want to thank Dose of Vanity for sending me the ring light, because you guys, I was lit. I was excited about this ring light. So here's what the selfie ring light looks like. It is called the selfie ring light, and it's by Dose of Vanity. You guys, you can follow them at GETDOV products on Instagram. I don't know why I had a brain fart. So it comes like this. It's very small, and I was shocked to see that the selfie ring light look like this. It looks like a walk-in LED light, but I was also surprised because it came with a charger. So this is not battery ran. You don't have to go out and buy AA batteries or AAA batteries or any crazy batteries like I think my Elf one is, it comes with a charger. So all you have to do is charge it up and go for what you know. I know you guys seen this in like my PR unboxing for the month, but I did want to come back and give it a sole dedicated video. And the great part about it is when I did get it in, it was already charged up. So I was over the moon for it. So here it is on level 1. Here's level 2, and you may not be able to see the difference right now because I do have all these lights going on around me. But here's level 3, which gets extra bright. And you guys know that most of the time when I take my pictures for my Instagram, I basically use my phone, and of course my phone has flash on front and back, but to put this selfie ring light on it and use it for the front camera as well as the flashlight, baby, it gives all the lighting that it needs. It doesn't give you a yellow tint, it gives you all white lighting, and that's what I love about this because it's LED. For the continuous full power in this ring light is 45 minutes. It doesn't seem that long, but who uses a selfie ring light for 45 minutes straight? Like, if you snapping your pictures, boom, 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 click that button off and keep it pushing. Pull it back out when you need it. Who actually takes pictures for literally 45 minutes straight? And if you do, girl, more power to you. Because I take at least 30 pictures within 1 minute, and I go through those 30 pictures and I pick out my favorites and delete the rest and be done. Ever since the day I got it, I have yet to charge it. As you can tell, the charger is still put together. So I enjoyed that selfie ring light. If you guys would like to check out their selfie ring lights or their website in general, check down below in the hot box. I have all their information down below. Thank you once again, Dose of Vanity, for giving me the opportunity to have this, because they sent it to me completely free just to review, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna review it or not until I tested it out and used it, and I love it. So now what we're about to do is I'm gonna whip the camera around and we're gonna talk all about this vanity mirror that I got for 179 bucks. You heard me, 179. It was on sale for 179 even. Now they do have it in 2 different colors, but I chose white because everything around me is light and bright. Y'all know I have the glitter stuff everywhere, the white cubes, the clear cubes. The only thing that's dark is my desk, and I am in process of about to paint it and change it up because I don't want a black desk. I don't want it, but it works for me right now. So we're gonna change up positions, and you guys are about to see this vanity mirror. All right, you guys, I know the lighting is looking real funny right now, but I just want you guys to see this vanity mirror for what it is. I know I got my yellow lights, and the vanity mirror is pure white light bulbs, which I think is LED bulbs if I'm not mistaken. And I am holding the camera. Y'all see I'm holding it on the tripod that I use. But this is the mirror. Don't mind my messy desk and my dirty desk. Makeup is just, you know, makeup is, it is what it is when it comes down to makeup and stains. So I have my phone that sits right here on this ring light thing that I found on Facebook. Facebook was advertising this one day and I decided to get it, and it also has a ring light on it as well, and you put it up in front of your phone and you record or take pictures or whatever you need to do. Well, I haven't figured it out yet, so all I use it for is a monitor for this camera that I'm recording on when I record. So moving on to the mirror, as you could tell, it is just the perfect size. It comes with all the bulbs. Literally all you have to do is screw the bulbs in and put the bottom piece on it and literally sit it up. It comes with the lighting where you could dim it. That's off, and you could dim your lights however you like, and it goes max of lighting to it. It does have the power surge, the outlets right here. I know you guys ain't gonna be able to see it because I have all these lights on, but I do have 2 power plugs right here just in case. The bulbs are plastic, which is another good thing and very smart for when it comes down to shipping. But I do have those 2 small outlets on there that I could use if I need to plug up my phone while I'm recording and my phone is going dead, because the app that I use as a monitor, the Canon app on my phone, it does drain my phone. But I could easily plug it up over there and still be freaking good. I could do my hair sitting here and everything, and I still keep my ring light right here in front so that I still have a max amount of lighting. You guys know I do not use my soft boxes no more because I'm out of room, but this vanity mirror with the ring light and the room light and the window open, you guys, I'm done and I'm set for a lot of lighting until we move everything around. But that is what the vanity mirror looks like. It is by the brand Dose of Vanity, and it is perfect for your girl. As you can tell, my desk is like really cluttered and not that big. So to have this put right there and fit right before my shelf and everything, you guys, it is amazing. It fits and it works and it is awesome. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and take a little information from me and want to go check out Dose of Vanity. I absolutely love my mirror. I absolutely love my selfie ring light. This is like a new setup and a new way that I will be taking pictures and recording. I love my area, but we are gonna be doing like, not renovations, but we're gonna be moving a little bit, and I'm gonna take you guys on the journey. I'm not gonna speak of it yet until it's time to happen, like until it's time for it to happen. I just won't tell you guys about it, so you have to stay tuned. You have to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload something that's coming, and it's gonna be very freaking different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I would love for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out Dose of Vanity on Instagram, on their website. I will have all of it linked down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.